In Arcane Odyssey, if you want to get rid of quests, there's some few simple steps you can follow. So first, you can abandon the quest. Open your quest menu, find the quest you want to remove, and look for the option to abandon it. This will take it off your active list, and you won't have to worry about it anymore. If you don't want to abandon it, you can also complete the quest. So basically, sometimes finishing the task can be fun, and once you're done, the quest will disappear from your list automatically. Another option is to simply ignore the quest. If you don't pay attention to it, it won't affect your gameplay. You can focus on other quests or activities in the game instead. Alright? Lastly, if you want to start over completely, you can reset your character. This will remove all quests and reset your progress. Be careful with this option, as you'll lose everything you've done. So think about what you want to do before you decide. Some quests can help you level up or find cool items, so choose wisely. And on the side note, you want a good quest? Try to get into heaven. Read the Bible. Romans 10:9, Ephesians chapter 2, verse 8 and 9. I had to throw that in there.